Day 2 at HersheyPark.
We got up early so that we could do the Hershey chocolate tour before HersheyPark opened.
It's Willy Wonka's chocolate factory tour. Not quite. Not quite.
I gotta say, it was a huge hit. I was not expecting the chocolate tour to be the highlight of the day, but the kids absolutely loved it.
Hi, look at you, cute girl.
And it was so perfect for families.
You ready to go on the chocolate tour? Huh?
They had these little cars and you could get in.
Everyone say hi.
Took you through this really fun animated little chocolate tour. I documented most of it for you so that you could see what it's like. Our kids were just in love with it, and the whole day that was like their favorite thing was the chocolate tour. So definitely if you have a young family, you absolutely want to check out the chocolate tour that they have available at Chocolate World.
Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world.
Uh-oh, we're going in the oven.
Is used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Oh, that looks awesome.
Super fun, super cool thing that HersheyPark does for its guests is just give them a little insight into how the chocolate's made, give an educational experience for the kids, and they absolutely loved it.
Look at it right there, sweetie.
Mixes and heats the chocolate.
She's more interested in saying hi to you.
Total A+ on that. HersheyPark, you hit it out of the park with your chocolate tour. And of course, at the end of it all, they give you a little Hershey's chocolate, and that's like the whole point of HersheyPark is the chocolate.
Go get a chocolate. There you go. Thank you.
You get a little chocolate for free for doing the tour, and the tour also is 100% free. And since we were there early to do the chocolate tour, we also got into the park super early.
Day 2 on our assault on HersheyPark. This one's Sienna's favorite.
For your convenience.
That's your favorite?
And so we made a beeline straight for Farenheit.
We are the first people in line for Farenheit 97.
Just Farenheit.
Farenheit. We got here first, which means we're the first ride of the day in the front row. These were awesome.
And rode that one. We were the first ones in line, so we gotta watch all of the people come into line, and then we gotta ride it first in the front row, like animals.
Our masked bandit date. Are you guys ready to eat some food?
Yes, yes. A girl is on this side on the...
There's Grayson. Grayson, you want to come sit over here so I can see you too? Come here, come sit right here. You can take your mask off.
Some good food options at HersheyPark. Brisket, half a chicken, mac and cheese.
Yummy.
Oh, Sienna, careful. There's a lot of birds though. I think they're airing out their pits. He's just staring right at you guys. The other deer? Yeah, you still got tons of that stuff on you. Gotta say, Zoomerica's kind of a letdown, not seeing any of the animals. Guys, do not fight over it. Here, hold your hand out. I just have a couple more. Here's the last two for you. It's all gone. Did you guys have fun at zoo?
Yeah. We went on some rides.
Another awesome hit of the day was the Reese's CupFusion explosion thing.
Waiting in line.
It was a ride similar to the Chocolate Factory. It was like these little tiny car things, but you went around and shot all of the evil candy creatures.
Little creatures with a gun.
Go ahead, sweetie. Go get on. Excited? You're gonna shoot the creatures with them, okay? How? You just point and shoot. See the trigger?
And both of our kids absolutely loved that thing. They were shooting at the creatures, and afterwards it was all they could talk about. While Sienna and I were waiting in line and getting on the ride, then Daddy and Grayson went to go get a Reese's elephant ear type thing. What are those things called? They call them elephant ears in Alaska.
This is the Reese's funnel cake. Does that look yummy?
They went to go get a Reese's thing, and it was this awesome, delectable dessert. I have learned that anytime I leave Austin alone, he goes and finds some delectable treat that he must share with the whole family.
Oh, Daddy and Grayson polished off half. So now Sienna and Mommy and Evelyn and Baba and Aaron can finish it.
He and Grayson were enjoying that while Evelyn was totally passed out. She was pretty tired, I guess.
Evelyn and Kylie are both asleep. Daddy and Grayson are waiting to trade with Mommy and Sienna and go on the Reese's CupFusion ride, huh?
After Sienna and I rode the ride, then Grayson and Daddy rode the ride. It was fun watching him be a little daddy. I love watching my husband be a daddy. It's like one of the best parts of being a wife.
Woo! Did you like it?
We got some more rides on Candimonium and Sky Rush and Great Bear.
Parent spot for Candimonium.
I didn't mention this in our first HersheyPark video. My favorite ride at HersheyPark was definitely Candimonium. I mean, Sky Rush was memorable, but Candimonium was just fun. It was like fun to relax and fun to just soar through the clouds like an eagle. You couldn't do that on Sky Rush. You're basically just holding on for dear life, which Austin likes, and that's his favorite ride. We can be different on some things. And then a lot of times we like to end our time at a roller coaster amusement park by going on the Carousel. So we did that. We got all of the kids out, all of the adults got on the ride, and we all rode the Carousel together. And it's always so pretty with the sunset. However, it kept blinding Kylie, so definitely fun to experience that with the kiddos and have just one last family ride of the day.
All done at HersheyPark.
I think HersheyPark has probably vaulted into my #2 favorite park. Good operations, great coaster lineup. It was a great trip. It was really good to have 2 days. I might even say a necessity to do 2 days. But
We've been doing roller coasters for 3 days straight.
I love it. I want some more of it.
Anyways, we had a blast at HersheyPark. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and comment below if you've ever been to HersheyPark. What is your favorite ride? Do you feel like it's great for families? Let me know what you think. Peace.
Wet on your skin all day. Can you relate? I do so too. I will be laughing and cooing too. That's not a comic. about your day? Okay, very good. Wow, do you have your baby?
Thank you.